Okay, today we're at Kuranda on the Atherton Tablelands. Kuranda's sort of a touristy little town. It's quite a popular place for people to visit when they come up to Cairns. You get here by train, as you can see, very pretty train station. It's quite an old, rattly sort of train that brings you up. It's not air conditioned, but it's a great trip. As you can see from that picture, it's a very pretty train ride. The other option for getting up and back is via the Skyrail. That's a Skyrail station there. What most people do is come up by one form of transport and head back by the other. You just got to time it right because the train doesn't run all day. It's only twice up in the morning, twice back in the afternoon. Skyrail runs all day though. This is Camello Park. As you can see, next to the Barron River. This is at the train station end of Kuranda. Good place just to walk down to take a bit of a break from the shopping and touristy stuff. People do walk their dogs along here. I think you can take river cruises from here as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and to click like.